That's a skunk right there. I don't know where this skunk is coming from. Eh? This bird is not liking it though. This bird is not liking what's going on, and this bird, they're not having it. Why are every animal so close to me? Like there's no big deal. This bird is just underneath the table like it's good times. I have a skunk up there. He's making his way down here with no plans of returning. The birds are saying that's not happening. But he's like, hey, there's some folks out here. I gotta see them. Come this way, baby. He's right there. The birds are adamant. They are not having a skunk anywhere close to their nest. But he smells food. And we cook, just pack up the food particles then. That's what he really wants. Guys, here it is. I don't know it's friend or foe. Well, is this bird attacking me too? Is it telling me to leave here because it has a nest? I don't know, man. It has an attack, it just keeps flying down over me. But the skunk seems to have retreated. Oh, maybe that's why the squirrel is not around here anymore. The birds have their nests, so they won't tolerate him around here either. And he's still circling. Yep, you can see the skunk. Tell me if you see the skunk. Thumbs up if you see a skunk. If you see a skunk, thumbs up, thumbs up. If I show you guys the skunk again, you give me some thumbs up. This thing sprays and it stinks. He's about to come around the bend. There he is, there he is. There's a skunk. You would need tomato juice if that thing hit you. Guys, that's not a chipmunk. That's a skunk. Who is this? This a new friend? He's just chilling out.